Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to enable text selection in Articulate Review 360 using a simple JavaScript code. First, open the project in Articulate Storyline 360. Before we make any changes, let's see the default behavior. Click Preview and open any slide. Now, try selecting the text on the slide. You'll notice that the text can't be highlighted or copied. This is the default behavior in Articulate 360. Close the preview window and return to the project. Next, go to the View tab and click Slide Master. In the Slide Master, create a new trigger. Set the trigger to execute JavaScript when the timeline starts. Now, open the JavaScript editor. Paste the JavaScript code into the editor and then click OK to save the trigger. Once that's done, close the Slide Master and return to the course. Now, publish the course to Articulate Review 360. After the publishing is complete, open the course in Review 360. Try selecting the on-screen text again. This time, the text can be highlighted and copied, just like on a normal web page. To verify the result, copy the selected text and paste it into Notepad or any text editor. That's it. Text selection has now been successfully enabled in Articulate Review 360 using JavaScript. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.